inside China's master plan to dominate the global market. Imagine a moment when the tides of fortune turn, when a nation stands at the cusp of a transformative era, poised to redefine its place in the global economy. This is the story of China's bold economic resurgence, a saga of ambition, innovation, and opportunity that promises to reshape the financial landscape and ignite the dreams of millions. As the world watches, China is unleashing a powerful wave of policies and reforms, signaling a new chapter of prosperity. But what does this mean for the markets, for businesses, and for you? The question on everyone's mind is simple yet profound: are the days of tightening our belts behind us? After years of challenges, China's economy is showing signs of a phoenix-like rebirth, rising from the ashes with renewed vigor. Some predict this could be the most lucrative period in recent memory, a time when wealth creation accelerates at an unprecedented pace. Others warn of a growing divide, where fortunes are made or lost in the blink of an eye. Yet, one thing is certain: we are entering an era brimming with possibilities, a time that could define a generation. At the heart of this transformation lies a pivotal shift in policy. For the first time in over a decade, the phrase moderately loose monetary policy has reemerged, sending shockwaves through the financial world. Economists and analysts alike have sat up, electrified by the implications. Historically, these words have heralded seismic shifts in the economy, sparking years of wealth creation and market upheaval. This isn't just a policy tweak, it's a bold declaration of intent, a signal that China is ready to pull out all the stops to fuel growth. So, what does a moderately loose policy mean? Picture the economy as a martial artist, poised to unleash its most powerful move. In the past, similar policies have transformed markets overnight. During the global financial crisis, China deployed massive investments and slashed interest rates, pulling the economy back from the brink. Housing prices, once modest, skyrocketed as liquidity flooded the system. This time, the approach is even more ambitious. The government is rolling out aggressive fiscal measures, think tax cuts, debt restructuring, and massive infrastructure spending designed to turbocharge growth. It's as if the nation has floored the accelerator, swapping out the engine for one with even greater horsepower. The signs are unmistakable. Industry titans, long absent from the public eye, are stepping back into the spotlight. High-profile entrepreneurs are making bold moves, publishing articles, and dominating headlines. A clear indication that they sense a monumental shift. This isn't coincidence, it's strategy. These visionaries, like master swordsmen, only unsheath their blades when the moment is right. And that moment is now. This policy shift is more than just numbers on a balance sheet. It's a promise of opportunity, a chance to stabilize markets, boost consumer confidence, and unleash a wave of economic activity. From real estate to the stock market, the ripple effects will be felt far and wide. But the real magic lies in the structural changes driving this revival. Three tectonic shifts that form the bedrock of China's economic resurgence. First, there's the acceleration of industrial upgrading. China's industries are undergoing a metamorphosis, shedding their cocoon to emerge as global leaders. Companies once battered by external pressures are now roaring back, with record-breaking performances and technological breakthroughs. From semiconductors to renewable energy, from intelligent manufacturing to quantum computing, China is no longer playing catch-up, it's setting the pace. The days of being dismissed as a producer of low-cost goods are gone. Today, China's manufacturing prowess is a force to be reckoned with, a testament to resilience and innovation. Second, consumer spending is evolving in ways that defy expectations. While some lament a perceived downgrade in consumption, the reality is far more dynamic. Emerging markets like the singles economy and health economy are booming. People may claim frugality, but they're splurging on premium pet products, high-end healthcare, and luxury home appliances. This is consumption with a purpose, driven by a growing demand for quality and innovation. With government policies fueling domestic demand and businesses responding with cutting-edge offerings, China's consumer market is a sleeping giant awakening with a roar. Third, technological innovation is surging at breakneck speed. Artificial intelligence, 5G, and quantum communication are no longer aspiration, they're realities where China leads the world. The narrative that China lacks innovation has been shattered. New industries are sprouting, creating jobs and opportunities that redefine the future. Far from causing unemployment, these advancements are opening doors to careers and possibilities once unimaginable, fueling an economy that thrives on creativity and ambition. These changes rest on four unshakable pillars that will propel China's economy forward. The first is the activation of the domestic market. With a population of over 1 billion, China's consumer base is unrivaled, a powerhouse of demand waiting to be unleashed. Platforms like food delivery apps and short-form video content are driving consumption to new heights, proving that China's market is not just large, it's unparalleled. The second pillar is the optimization of global supply chains. As the world restructures its industrial networks, China is seizing the moment to redefine manufacturing. Its supply chain systems are unmatched, and its industries are transitioning from followers to trailblazers, positioning China at the forefront of the global economy. The third pillar is technological prowess, from 5G networks to AI-driven solutions. China's innovations are rewriting the rules of competition. What was once mocked as a lack of creativity is now a showcase of cutting-edge advancements, proving that China's technological might is a force to be reckoned with. Finally, the fourth pillar is institutional strength. China's unique ability to mobilize resources, plan strategically, and execute with precision is unmatched. From cities with GDPs rivaling entire nations to record-breaking e-commerce events, China's economic model is a marvel of scale and efficiency, a blueprint for success that other nations can only envy. So, what does this mean for you? For the average person, this economic renaissance brings tangible benefits. Mortgage rates are likely to drop, putting real money back in your pocket, thousands saved annually on home loans. The stock market, long underestimated, is poised for a revival, with reforms like stricter delisting rules and broader registration systems paving the way for growth. And new wealth opportunities are emerging in fields like digital economies, smart manufacturing, and green technologies. The metaverse, AI, and sustainable development are not just buzzwords, they're the next frontier of prosperity. But with great opportunity comes great responsibility. This is not a time for reckless gambles but for calculated moves. The road ahead is both exhilarating and challenging, a journey that demands focus and resilience. China's economy is not just recovering, it's reinventing itself, backed by robust industries, cutting-edge technology, and unwavering determination. This is your moment. The winds of change are blowing, carrying the promise of a new era. Are you ready to set sail? The stage is set for a historic chapter, one where China's economic might will captivate the world. Embrace the possibilities, seize the opportunities, and prepare to ride the wave of this extraordinary transformation. The future is here, let's make it legendary.